In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get started with making money online and specifically affiliate marketing. So if you've searched online for how to make money online or how to get started, you've probably come across topics like how to make money with ClickBank, how to make money with Amazon FBA, how to create online courses, and so on. Now, these may be really good and powerful ways of making money, and they do all work. But what I'm going to teach you today is how to get started in a much easier way, and that is with affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why affiliate marketing is much easier is because, first of all, you don't have to create a product. Secondly, it has a low barrier entry. And thirdly, you don't have to spend a lot of money to set up affiliate marketing, because what you're doing here is you are selling other companies' products, and if that sale goes through, you get a commission. So let's talk about two ways you need to set up your affiliate marketing. So the first way is search intent. So when people are online, they go online and they search for best email marketing software or best vacuum cleaner or best this and so on. So what happens is the article that is ranking on top on the results, chances are it has all the affiliate links to that product. Now let's take a look here. So here I've just typed in best email marketing software. So let's ignore the ads. So we're just going to come over here. Now you can see these websites that have created these articles. So we have 10 best email marketing software for business. So let's go into this one here. And all these links here, chances are these are affiliate links. So if someone does go ahead and buy, say, ConvertKit or MailerLite using this affiliate link, the owner of this website gets a commission. So this is how affiliate marketing works. But notice how I added my keyword. I actually gone in and put in there best email marketing software. So like I said, this applies to many different products. It may be that you're searching for a physical product. Okay, so the other way of putting your information out there is by using social media. So if you join Facebook groups, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on, you can go in there and share good tips or advice on specific products. Of course, you have to make sure you're in the right group. So if you're in a software group or email marketing or making money online, that is where you would go in, participate, and add your links in there. But of course, you don't want to spam, because no one likes spam. So you want to go in there and really provide genuine help, and through that, later on, people can then start trusting you, and it will be okay for you to start adding all those links. Now, let's take a look at how you can join these affiliate programs. So I'm just going to give you a quick example here on Elegant Themes. So if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page, you are going to notice that we have here affiliates. And when you click on it, it also tells you how the affiliate program works and also their commissions. So here we can see that this is a 50% on each sale, which is very high. And it also goes into more detail here. So if you want to become an affiliate, you can just come over here and click on become an affiliate. Now, I know there's several programs out there like Amazon, for example, but I've done a video before where I talk about the percentages that Amazon gives you. So they give you between 1 and 5%. And to be honest, you need to have a website or a YouTube channel that has a ton of views in order for you to even make money with that, because it's just between 1 and 5%. But with something like software, in this example, we have Elegant Themes, you are getting about 50% per sale, which means all the effort you put in there, it is fantastic because the commission is very high. And it tends to be the case with a lot of software programs. So it's mostly between 20 and 50%. But what you could also do is you could contact the owners of the companies and see if you can negotiate a better deal. And that is, of course, if you can justify why you would want a higher commission. So if you have a large following, for example, on your YouTube or Facebook, or you have a large mailing list, these are the sort of things that you can use to negotiate to get a much higher commission. All right, so let me go through how I generate my commissions. And this is by using YouTube, because SEO does not really work for me. It really takes a lot of effort to get my websites ranking. So I rather use YouTube, and it's been working really well for me. So let me show you the strategy that I use. So over here, I've gone in and I've typed in Fluent CRM review, and we can see here Adam's video is the first one in the search results, and here is mine. So if I come over here now into this video, what I do is I add the affiliate link on to my description here. So you can see here, funnelstoincome.com/fluent CRM. Now, what I'm going to explain here is very, very important, because a lot of affiliate marketers, they send all their traffic directly to the actual product. Now, although this works really well and most people prefer that, so what I do in my strategy is to create a bridge page. Now, let me show you what that is, and I'll explain to you how this works. So over here, I'm on my page, and this is the funnelstoincome.com/fluent CRM. So I have a bonus that I give away when someone purchases Fluent CRM using my affiliate link. And of course, if I'm giving a bonus, I want to know where I can send that bonus to. So this is where they add their email address. So when they add their email address here, when they click here on buy Fluent CRM 20% off, and it so happens that I also have a discount code here. What happens is when they click here, they go to purchase the product, and I also have their email added onto my autoresponder, which means that I can verify that they've actually bought Fluent CRM using my affiliate link. And then I also give them my bonus course, which goes with that. Now, the reason why I create a bonus course is because sometimes you're competing on a product that has so many people selling it, or promoting it rather. So in my case, I have to have a competitive advantage, because going against all these guys is going to be tough, because what I'm trying to create here is, why would you choose me over the next guy? So I have to create something that makes them want to buy from me. And what has been working for me is to give them bonuses. So I would give them, say, a bonus course that gets them up and running fast. But you don't really have to go through this. This is much better, but you don't have to do it this way. So if you're a beginner, it is okay to send the potential buyer directly to the product. But as you get advanced, this is where you want to have a bridge page. So this is something that I thought I would mention, and this is how I do it. In upcoming videos, I'll be also explaining how this bridge page is performing, all the conversion rates, and so on. So make sure you hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.